Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting prerequisites out of the way and installing FVM itself. First, make sure Git and a basic Dart/Flutter toolchain exist on your machine. These let FVM manage versions. Then run pub global activate FVM or use brew install FVM. Choose the method for your system. Once done, update your path so the pub cache bin or brew bin is reachable. This ensures the FVM command runs in your shell immediately. You now install and set the SDK for a project. Run FVM install followed by the exact Flutter version you need. Once the download finishes, CD into your project and run FVM use version force so FVM records the choice in FVM. From here, run FVM Flutter Run or FVM Flutter Pub get to operate with that managed SDK. Make sure your editor points to the FVM Flutter binary or add a local shim so tools call the right version. You finish by locking and integrating the chosen SDK so everyone uses the same Flutter. Commit the FVM configuration to version control and configure your IDE to the FVM/Flutter SDK path or enable an FVM plugin for seamless runs. If something fails, perhaps a missing binary or mismatch, run FVM Doctor to inspect problems. Clear broken files with FVM cache clear and then FVM install again. This sequence fixes most issues and gets you back to building quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.